Upgrade your new build with a whole home energy monitor to get real-time insights that cut waste and lower bills. Choose a whole home monitor that measures both voltage and current at the main panel and supports circuit-level submetering for major loads like heating, electric vehicle charging, and water heating. Install the monitor on the incoming service near the meter and route current sensors correctly around each hot conductor, not the neutral, to ensure accurate power and energy calculations. For submetering, use clamp-on sensors or hardwired CTs on individual circuits feeding big loads and label each circuit clearly in the panel directory so you can map usage to devices later. Integrate the monitor with your smart home dashboard or home automation hub using its native cloud or local API so you can view live watts and kilowatt hours, set thresholds, and create automated responses. Configure alerts for unusual usage spikes during off hours and for sustained high base loads so you can quickly investigate phantom loads or failing appliances. Pair the monitor outputs with automation rules that shift discretionary loads to off-peak periods, for example, delaying water heating or electric vehicle charging, and program minimum state of charge rules so comfort and convenience are preserved. Regularly review daily and weekly trends, export data for seasonal comparison, and recalibrate sensors after major electrical work to keep the readings accurate. Common mistakes include underestimating sensor placement and wiring complexity, which causes misreads. Avoid this by following the manufacturer panel wiring diagram, double-checking each conductor placement, and testing with a trusted multimeter or the monitor calibration routine. Another frequent issue is overcrowding the panel with sensors without mapping circuits to loads, which makes the data unusable. Resolve this by doing a one-time circuit audit, turning devices on one at a time to identify circuits, and recording the results in the panel directory and your dashboard labels. A third problem is relying on alerts without actionable automation, which creates alarm fatigue. Fix that by tuning thresholds to meaningful levels, creating automated load shifts for non-critical devices, and scheduling periodic reviews so alerts drive corrective actions rather than noise. On bighomeprojects.com, we help homeowners find local contractors and contractors find work related to home energy upgrades. We also host an active discussion community where we share installation tips, contractor experiences, and real owner case studies to support smarter choices for new home construction upgrades.